Samsung's new Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is here, but can it beat Amazfit's toughest adventure smartwatch, the T-Rex 3 Pro? Both are built for the outdoors, but they take very different approaches. In this comparison, we'll compare the key specs side by side to help you quickly decide which smartwatch is the better buy for you. And let's get started. If you want the best smartwatch experience with Wear OS, Galaxy AI, Google Apps, LTE, and premium everyday features, the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is the better choice. But if your priority is long battery life, rugged outdoor durability, offline navigation, and fitness-focused performance at a lower price, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 Pro is hard to beat. Ultimately, the Ultra 2 is the better smartwatch, while the T-Rex 3 Pro offers outstanding value for outdoor enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If this comparison helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to SmartWatch Radar for more smartwatch comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.